Allah, you are my Lord, I bow to you. Allah, oh my Allah, you are my Lord, I bow to you. Allah, oh my Allah, you are my Lord, I bow to you. Allah.
Allah is referred to as the best of providers in the Quran. Allah says,
أَمْ تَسْأَلُهُمْ خَرْجًا فَخَرَاجُ رَبِّكَ خَيْرٌ وَهُوَ خَيْرُ الرَّازِقِينَ.
the recompense of your Lord is best, and He is the best of providers. Though people provide for one another, Allah is the provider of them all. This is because He is the creator of all sustenance, and of all people, and of the various means sustenance reaches them. Allah says,
وَمَا مِن دَابَّةٍ فِي الْأَرْضِ إِلَّا عَلَى اللَّهِ رِزْقُهَا.
there is not a beast on earth, but its sustenance depends on Allah. How many living creatures are there on earth? Not just on land, but also in the ocean depths. How many more must there be spread throughout the universe? Allah provides for them all, arranging for the means of their sustenance in ways we can apprehend and ways we cannot even imagine. Allah is Ar-Razak. He is the one who creates your sustenance and takes it upon himself to deliver what he has appointed to his creations. And because he is Ar-Razak, he provides this sustenance to everyone, Muslim and non-Muslim, woman and man, humans and animals, and plants. It encompasses everything on earth.
Oh my Allah, you are my Lord, I bow to you.